at our bungalows, our eco bungalows in Alveston, and ready for another update. Over the last couple of weeks, we have been doing a lot of groundworks out the front, so loads of services, utilities, and we've also had to drop the level through very rocky ground to create a nice parking area at the front. In our last update, the kitchen had just been delivered, so everything's in boxes, and as you can see, we've made good progress getting it fitted. So the idea behind our kitchen is that it's premium built with premium equipment in it, and it works for a country feel, a rural location. The colour, the green and the gold, and the shaker style. So that was progress in East Haven, and what I'd like to show you now is how we're getting on in West Haven. The underfloor heating in this room is being laid, so these pipes are coiled in a specific plan, and the warm water from the heating system will run around them, warming up the space. Underneath is insulation, 6 inches of insulation, stops the heat being lost downwards and keeps the heat up. We've even got insulation on the perimeter so that heat isn't lost out through the sides. It's all about making the building as efficient as possible, and this system is going into every floor space. So we are getting ready to do the final landscaping of the gardens at the back. It's going to be mostly lawn, but there'll be a strip of nature corridor running along the bottom boundary. So we're going to have 2 ponds, a hiberniculum, space for hedgehogs to get through fences, native grasses, native plants in the nature corridor. It's all part of our planning requirements to raise the biodiversity of the development. Thank you for watching, and please follow Landhaven for more updates.